Happy Monday! Greetings from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. We have partly sunny Monday morning here. Lovely 23-4 degrees. Expecting 26 today. Video about the weather only for somebody who have never seen very small platanos. They say platanos, not bananas here. So this is, they are inside, small one. This is very nice smell. Like jasmine. Playa San Telmo situation. The temperature of the ocean 23.4 degrees of Celsius, so it's getting down slowly. These are different. These are brown. Wow, quite rare even for me. Yeah. And let's go to Loro Park.